This is one of the first tasks that most people also hire out for. Hey, Sarah Larson here, and welcome to another episode of Mommy Mogul TV, the YouTube channel, so that you can discover how to become a highly successful supermom with your own freelance business. If you've ever thought about working from home and trying to figure out how to be a mom at the same time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and give the bell in the top right of the screen a click to be notified when my latest videos go live. I was a virtual assistant for many years, and I actually still have a few clients today. And every so often, I take a look at the industry and I look at some of the top services that I see many business owners looking for. Go ahead and stay to the end of this video to find out how you can learn more about these services that we're going to be talking about today. What are some of the hottest services that you can offer business owners? Let's jump into a few right now. Number one is podcast management. Essentially, podcast management services are one of my favorite services that virtual assistants offer. So many people are starting podcasts, which makes it a hot service and a great way for you to stand out. Once you find a system that works for you to produce, edit, or create graphics for a podcast, it's honestly so easy to scale your business. Number two is social media management. This is a service that's also so hot right now for many different reasons. Basically, small businesses need help to make their social media feeds not only look great, but provide value or portray their message to the viewer. They also sometimes want followers. This is one of the first tasks that most people also hire out for. There are many different social media platforms that you can offer, or you can just choose one. Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Periscope, these are all just some different examples. With a few simple strategies, you can help the business to increase visibility or grow their followers. There's also different levels of social media management that you can offer, from basic to expert. You can also utilize tools like Meet Edgar, Buffer, and Hootsuite to schedule posts for you. And you can utilize Canva for graphics. A lot of tools are very awesome because they help make your life a little bit easier. And if you're interested in social media, it'll help you be effective. The next one we're going to talk about is great for entry-level virtual assistants. It's inbox management. This is a service field that's in high demand because many businesses are always emailing their customers. Inbox management is where you come in and take over for the business owner. Emails are where many businesses make the most money, and oftentimes they hire out for someone to nurture and build trust with the customers that they're emailing. Some send out a weekly newsletter or monthly. As an inbox manager, you'd basically be responsible for writing the emails or scheduling them out. And to succeed in this, you're going to need a little bit of knowledge on email service providers. Many are user-friendly, so they're easy to navigate. Some examples of email service providers are ConvertKit, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Drip. Now you know my opinion on some of the best services that you can offer as a virtual assistant or freelancer. And I'm sure you're wondering, Sarah, where the heck do I go from here? Before that, first off, just a moment. Thanks for taking the time to check out this video. I really appreciate you being here, and honestly, I can't wait to see you become a mommy mogul too. Now, if you're not sure what to do next, I've got you covered. Don't you worry. Go ahead and click the link in the description below and snatch up your free copy of a guide that I've put together just for you with some of my best tips on how you can start your own freelancing or virtual assistant business right now. Plus, once you do, you'll also be able to register for my bonus training on how to build a freelance business with no investment and little experience. And if you got a kick out of this video and enjoyed the tips that I shared, go ahead and make sure that you like, comment, and share this video as well with your gal pals, fellow supermoms, and friends. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.